Hello and welcome.
I'm Miriam Larici.
I'm Leonardo Barrionuevo, and in this video we are going to show you the most meaningful and important move for Argentine tango, el abrazo.
We are talking about the embrace and how to use it to connect and communicate with your partner to be able to lead and follow. Before we start with the lesson, if you are new to the channel, we would like to invite you to subscribe to it.
And please activate the bell notification so you never miss new content. Now, let's jump into the dance floor.
Okay, let's work on the embrace. Let us show you all the tips. So we're going to start with the front step to get together and waiting to reach each other with my left side and right side of the leader. I will go around with my arm and then embrace with the hand touching his back. On the last move, I feel the connection on my upper arm. From here, keeping this position, I will go with my right arm and lowering the shoulders, keep the position to start dancing from here.
For the leader, we are going to approach her with our left leg just to get started. And here's the thing. We are going to lower a little bit the position of our hand and rotate, opening our left shoulder blade. So when we do this, we are going to be able to embrace even closer. Yes, my forearm will end up under her shoulder blades. Yes. Lower. Now from here we are going to lift a little bit our rib cage so we have better connection. We are not collapsing. Offer your left with your left shoulder blade down. So we embrace with her.
You want to see from my right side and Leonardo's left hand. So front, get together with the ribs, with my left and his right. And now we're going to reach on the other side. I will let him put his hand first and then going a little higher, moving down to his hand to finish the embrace. Always keeping the shoulders down and lifting the ribs to have a very elegant position.
Now for us leaders, we are going to take the steps just to get closer to her. And we do right arm, yes, our forearm under her shoulder blades as we were mentioning before. Now if we work with the arm, will be shoulder first, elbow second, wrist third, and then we rotate the hand in a way that our palm is facing her face. Yes? So be careful, it's not too tilted to one side or too close to the other that we hurt her wrist. Always facing her face.
Now we'll explain how the embrace can change from close embrace to open embrace in case you need it for other figures. So we go back to close embrace, waiting for him to embrace me, and then I go with my left and my right. Now, how to open the embrace from here? If I need to open, I will move my shoulder back and slide the arm out, keeping the hands always reaching his body. If I need to close embrace, I will move the hand in and offer the left side of my upper body for him to re-embrace. Let's show you that one more time. Sliding, keeping always the shape. Be sure to keep this shape, semicircle around him without breaking the shape of the arm. And I can extend a little bit to re-embrace if I want. but be sure to keep always very circular move, reaching him.
So now for us on this side, we're going to get closer to her. And here's the thing. When we'll start up with a close embrace, as Miriam was mentioning, we offer the other arm. Now, in order for her to tell her to go back with this shoulder, we need to move our left shoulder blade, which is the opposite. So we initiate the momentum for her to go back, and then we move our right shoulder blade back. Yes? So she needs to know that we are doing that. Yep. Now, to get close embrace, leaving her in access, we are going to start sliding first, moving my hand. That's very, very, very important. Yes. Don't get close to her without moving your hand around. So the idea is to get close. At the same time, we slide our hand to close embrace. Let's do it again. A little rotation so we can send her back, and we follow that movement. Now, bring her towards you and close the embrace.
Okay, now, if you see the embrace from my right side, let's get together. Close embrace with my left and then right. When I feel the lead to open the embrace, I see like he's turning a little bit the left side, and then he goes back with his right side. So I let go of my left arm. If you notice, I'm not moving the right hand, the right arm from the point. So I open and close only from my left side. Let's show you that one more time. Open the position from my left side, close the position from my left side, and the right side is always on the same point.
For us, continuing what Miriam was mentioning, we'll get close to her, embrace on the right side as we just saw before. And from here, here's the thing. We offer the left hand. And now we want to open the embrace. Before we do this, make sure your left hand, is always between both of you. Yes, it doesn't move either to the left or to the right, to front or back. If we want to move back, we're going to move it from the torso, and the hand still always in the same line between both of us. Yes, it moves because we rotate the torso. Now we are going to rotate a little bit the torso and move away your right shoulder blade. Now to get close embrace, lower a little bit so we can re-embrace and get closer to her. One more time. Took and close embrace.
Thanks for watching the video.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel down below.